Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture over to the Komoot app. So if you want to add a profile picture, then all you need to do is open the Komoot app, just like this. And basically once you've done that, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, just next to shop you will find profile where you can click on. And once you've done that, simply click on settings at the top of your screen. You have that little gear icon right here. And basically once you've done that, click on profile information, and then in order to add in profile picture, all you need to do is click on change profile photo, and you can either import one from Facebook, you can take a photo within the app, or you can choose one from your camera gallery. So that's what I'm going to do. All you need to do is just scroll down till you find basically your profile picture you want to add. Just click on it like this, and then your profile picture has been changed, and that's all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.